piece of laminated cabinet grade plywood at the shop. It's been sitting there for, I don't know, 5 years or something. So I saw it today and I figured it'd be a good temporary countertop until I can decide what I want to do for a final one. I'm leaning towards quartz, but we'll see. I have to take a little bit off. Not sure the jigsaw is going to do it. The blade wants to deflect too much, but we'll give her a go and see what happens. That worked better than I thought it was going to. Oh, so that's 11/16. Yeah. Okay. Tape. Just using the tape to so I can see the pencil line. Otherwise, I'd be writing the black pencil line on the black countertop. Wouldn't be able to see it. Coincidentally, there's the countertop needs to go back ½ inch, so we'll use a piece of ½ inch plywood as a spacer. Draw the line. The notch is still just a skosh tight, so I'm going to open it up just a little bit with the grinder. So now it's time to cut the back edge to the wall. The wall's got a bit of a curve to it. So it's touching there at that end, and it's touching at the other end down here, but there's a ½ inch gap. Where's the middle? Oh, ½ inch gap here in the middle. So we're gonna take a ½ inch off of here and a ½ inch off of there, and that should bring the middle in where it's supposed to be, or at least close anyway. Okay, third time's a charm. Well, hopefully. turned out pretty good. Got a little bit of a gap here, but I don't want to take it down anymore because we don't have much of an overhang here. When I do a fiddle on here, if I do a fiddle on here, I may end up placing this. I think it's more or less a the idea is it's a workstation. Well, the refit is anyway. If it ends up staying, then I can put a fiddle here and it'll hide that. The overhang here doesn't really matter. There's going to be another countertop here. I'm working on the face of the cabinet for here. So when I put that in here, then I'll put another piece of countertop in here and I'll figure out, well, this might get cut at an angle or something, I'm not sure. Or just cut straight back, I don't know. We'll see. Now probably round this corner over too, so it's not a, doesn't get you. Imagine something like that there. Not likely teak, but not teak color will probably be finished to match this. The other thing is I had drawer slides at the shop, undermount drawer slides, which it looked like it was going to work from the math, but they don't fit because the box is too wide for these slides. And the other issue is the drawer face geometry. The slides, the drawer face would not fit in the hole with these slides, so I'm going to make new boxes and maybe get different sides because these were only 18 inches and I can go 21 inches. I'm not sure if I can go that far or not, but the idea is I'll just cut the drawer face off and stick it on the boxes I build. I just cobbled together this box extension, if they were going to work, which they're not, so it was a waste of time, but it's alright. I learned that they won't work. So, or the original boxes won't work with those slides.